Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, before even all the news came, we be in here. The video will be in here. What did we tell you about that one? We tell you it's going to make a correction down because of the news. Then after that, it's going to go higher. That's what also we said. Yes or no? And what we told you when we are here at that level here, in that green candle here, that it's about 1 week now when we tell you that it's been the close of the weekly here. Then also we told you buy from here, yes or no? And we told you the Bitcoin is going to do like that. Then after that it's going to go higher, guys. And now that's what it's doing exactly, guys. Look at it. Yes, now the daily candle, it hasn't finished it, but that's what it's showing to us exactly here. Look here, that the highs of that inside bar, as we said, and not the lower of it. Did it break the lower of it? No, guys, look at it. It can tell that here, the green candle, but now it's showing a rejection. Yes, that green candle here, it's still for it a lot of time to finish, but now it's showing here a rejection, guys. Yes or no? If the day it's finished here green like that, it's going to go till here, guys, till the top of here. Then we're going to see if we are going to break or no. Everything is too clear, guys. So for long-term traders, people, they buy when the weekly candle finishes. As I tell it to you before, what did I told you? I will repeat it because I know some people, they just came now. I'm sorry if you watch it before, but I know some people, they just came now. If you are a long-term trader or a long-term investor, I told you that just an example, you got $100, you buy $50 now, and $50 you leave it as a backup. If it fall down, you buy more, because it will not fall down. It might from here to go up, guys, and that place, it will never go back to it. That's what me are telling you now. You just try to buy some and you leave some. If it fall down more, you're going to get an opportunity to buy a lower price, guys, because you need to trade it at that level where we are now. Everything is in discount, guys, as if you're buying something in discount and you know it in the future is going to cost more than that. That's what me I told you. You buy some and you waiting some, and that some you are waiting when the weekly candle finishes, we're going to tell you how to buy it. Everything is too clear? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin or crypto in general is doing, guys. It's not that hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, let's go into our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, it's showing something very, 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 very important, guys. Look what it done. It came here to that place. Then it came down to that level here, or to the downtrend as we've been following for long, guys. And if that green candle finished like that, it's going to show to us here a very, very nice thing, guys. Let me zoom it a little bit to show it to you. Look with me here. What you seeing, guys? What you seeing here? It came here and it respecting that level here, guys. Yes or no? Now, what you need to do? To wait in the one to come and to break for us that last high, which is here, guys. That is a very good signal, and that one is going to indicate for us we changing from the downtrend to a new uptrend, guys. That's what me have been telling you all the past weeks. Also, we are very close. Try to buy, try to collect more cash. That's it, guys. Now, also, we are in the right moment, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Please, guys, helping us. I saw that channel started getting slower and slower. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It will not take you that much. Just pause the video now and go. Go now. Smashing the like button. Why are you looking at me? Go now. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. Go now, my friend. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So as I told you guys, it's need to come and to breaking for us that last high, which is here. And that one is going to be very, very, very good signal. The market is going to change from the downtrend also being from 2021 till now, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours, guys, to see what is it there, to see what the Bitcoin doing exactly now or right now in the 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see what is it there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. What did I told you here in the 4 hours? I told you it give us here a cup and a handle like that. Yes or no? That's what me I said before. I said it like that, guys. I told you if it break here, a candle came and closed below that level here, you enter short. Did it close below it? No, my friend. Look at it. It came to there and it's showing here as if is going to happen a rejection here. And by the way, it tried to give you here a double bottom. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. You change it from candles to lines here. You see it now or no? You see here, look here, what it giving you. It zoom it a little bit like that. What you seeing, guys, here? It give you here a double bottom, very clear here. Should you enter long now? Let me tell you when to enter long, guys. Let's go back to the candles like that. And we're going to come to here. Look with me very, very, very well and be focused with me, my friend. You came here like that and here like that. What you got a channel here, guys. Yes or no? It needs a candle to come to close above that level here in the 4 hours. If it close here, you enter long, guys. In that level here, that last high here, you take some of the profit, not all the profit. You take some of the profit and you protect yourself. You move in the stop loss up, or because if you are a swing trader and day trader and those things, you need to know all those things. You can't come to swing trading and day trading or scalping and you don't know how to protect yourself. And in our courses, everything is explaining, guys. Also, we got 13 courses in Udemy. By the way, all of them, they are not expensive. It's all of them, we're selling them by 10 bucks, 13 bucks, 12 bucks. So you can go and join them and benefiting from all the information in that courses, guys. So here in the 4 hours, as I tell it to you in the last video, I told you there is nothing to do, just waiting. I told you either the market to break here. Did it break? No. I told you got here a channel. It need to come and to break for us the high of it. Did it break? Not yet, guys. It need to come here to break for us here. Yes, we got here now a double bottom, but it's not yet. Everything is too clear, guys. So now what should you do? Here in the 4 hours, guys. In the daily, we finish from it. Now also we're talking just about swing traders. What you need to do here in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, you got 2 levels. Look with me. Here, like that. If a candle came and closing below that level like that, that man is going to open here and to close below here. You enter short or you sell. You enter in a sell position. You get it or no? If another candle came like that, you got here a trend like that. If another candle came and went like that, the open of it, it's being down here, and the close of it, it's being up here, you enter long or you buy. The first place where to protect yourself is here at that last high here. Over here, you take some of the profit and you protect yourself. You move the stop loss to the break even or something like that, and you let the profit to run till 23k, guys. 23k or 25k. Everything is too clear. And also every day, guys, we came to you by 2 videos. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when there is a buying opportunity, we tell it to you. When there is a selling opportunity, we tell it to you. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Everything is too clear here, guys. So here at this time, there is nothing to do. You just need to wait. Now let's go into our indicators, guys. What they say for the picture to be more clear to you. That indicator of us, when we touch here, if you remember, and we draw in the trend line, also we draw here because of the divergence we used to have here. Now here is it at the place where is the bears, the controlling, guys. Yes or no? The bears, for people they are not advanced in trading, or for beginners, it means the people they want to sell. And the bulls, it means people they believe in is going to go higher, guys. Everything is so clear. So now us here we enter to the place where is the bears, the controlling, guys. Yes or no? And look here at that W I told you. It's look very clear. Yes or no? But also we are waiting the trend line here to be broken. Did it broke? No. And where we are now? We are in the middle now here, guys. It's my both of them, they are equal here. Now we need either to break higher to go higher, or from here is going to drop again. That's what me I told you. From here it's going to touch the downtrend here. Then after that you're going to see it dropping, guys. That was me. I told you if a candle close below that cup and handle, you enter short. Remember that. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you don't. Go ahead and do it, please. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, it's not that hard. Just pause the video now. Smash the like button, writing down a comment. It's just easy steps. It's nothing to you, but it's meant a lot to us. So go ahead and do it, please. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. So here, we are in the moment of waiting, guys. There is nothing yet. Everything is too clear? Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it. Being here at the overbought area, it's showing now it's going to the oversold, but we don't got any price action for us to enter, guys. That's why us we are still waiting till now. I told you the price action is here. This came and break it. No, look at that. Yes, it might also we enter from here when we used to have here that wedge or that triangle here. But where it's broken here when the candle of news came that the time we can enter. Yes or no? Now it gave us here a cup and handle like that. And I told you in the last video, if it's breaking lower here, we are going to enter long. If it's breaking higher here, we are going to enter long, guys. If it's breaking lower here, we are going to enter short. If it's breaking higher here, we are going to enter long. I think the picture is very clear. So let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes, the last video, what did I told you? Look at that channel, may I show you in the 4 hours. How is it here in 30 minutes? You see it or no? It's very clear here in 30 minutes. That break here, that one it happened because of the news. That one, no one care about it. Now, it's need to come to break for us here. For us to enter long, guys. Yes or no? So, should you buy now? No, my friend. And look at that double bottom I show you. Or that W. You see it here in the 30 minute, guys, or no? It's very clear. Now in 30 minutes, if it came breaking for you, the top here, a candle close above that line here, you enter long. Remember that. Here in 30 minutes, me I'm talking. If it came a candle and closing, look at it here. You see it or no? I'm not going to join top of it. Look here and look here. That's a W, guys. Yes or no? Where is the top of it? Is here. If a candle came and closing above it here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear. Let me show you our indicators. What they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Also, we are here at the oversold area. Yes or no? And it's showing to us here a small divergence as you see it. From here and here. We got a divergence here, guys. Shall we enter long? Not yet, guys. Our indicator is telling us we need to look in only for buy opportunity. But for us to enter for buy opportunity, what we need? 3 things I tell it to you before. First things, a level, a supply and demand zone. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. From here, it's move up. From here, it's move up. And even the time of news from here, it's move up. Now it touches, it's moving up. Yes or no? Second thing, what is it? Our indicator to be at the oversold area. Yes, is it at the oversold area? Third things, what is it? A price action. The price action is that one, guys. That double bottom we got there. Top of it, it needs to be here. If it came a candle a close above it, you enter long, guys, here in 30 minutes. Yes or no? Everything is too clear, guys, here? So for scalping opportunity, we're looking just to buy, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.